Hey guys, I hope you are doing awesome right there, and this is the special kind of video for all the ICC class 10 aspirants. Those are going to appear the examination in the year of 2021-2022. Yes children, the complete video solution of the entire physics, right, and the specimen paper for 2022 will be solving out right here. All right, and again I want to say you that thank you for all the support, for all the way you all people are, sharing your love and affection. I'm really down to earth, right? So without making any delay, let's the video get started. And little bit the video will get lengthy little bit because I will be describing the points in a well and lengthy manner, right? So let's start the question number 1. And in case of physics, remember children, in case of physics there are having many questions, and you will be getting in many questions the semester 1 which will be carrying 2 marks, and one MCQ will be carrying 2 marks. So you have to remain alert. And again I want to say children that to keep 40 out of 40 in physics will be not an easy job. Remember that children, to keep 40 out of 40 in physics will not be an easy job. You can keep 80 out of 80 in subjective exam, but you cannot keep 40 out of 40. That doesn't mean you cannot keep. You can keep, but you have to work a lot, right? And the way I have seen the specimen paper of physics, and I'm speechless because many tricky questions are there in between. So let's solve it out. Why to waste time? So as you can see, the number 1 question, choose the correct statement with respect to refraction of light. So you have to choose the correct statement. That means there are having 4 options. Out of the 4 options, which one is correct? Number 1 beta, number 1, what is there beta? Number 1A. Let us see which one is correct. The color always changes when the light enters from one optical medium to the another. The color changes from one optical medium to the another. It is a medium. When the wavelength of color passes through one medium to the another medium, yes, the color gets changed. But here it is saying that the color always changes. No beta, the color always doesn't changes. The color changes but not always. So here we concluded that. Children, that number 1 option is wrong. Number 1 option is wrong. Absorption of light when it strikes to the surface the medium is refraction. Number 2 option is wrong. Another that speed of the light changes when it enters from one optical medium to the another optical medium. Yes, speed of the light changes. See, suppose let us say it is a rarer, it is a denser, and it is a normal. The incident, when the incident ray when the incident ray falls over here, then what? Now suppose the speed of the light definitely gets changes, right? The speed of the light changes when the speed of the light falls on a rarer to a denser, falls and goes from the rarer to the denser. Definitely the speed of the light gets changes. Yes, it is a correct statement. That means number 3 is a correct statement. Number 4, speed of the light does not change. Or speed of the light that changes, whether it is going from denser to rare or rare to denser, the speed of the light definitely will get changed. So here we concluded that number 1 का A का आंसर होगा 2. बात खत्म. Next B. When a light ray enters from a denser medium to a rare medium, here when a light ray enters, just I am changing a point a bit of denser medium. Let us assume it is a denser, it is a rarer, right? When a light ray enters from a denser medium to a rarer medium, the light ray always bends towards normal. No, it always bends away from normal. That means it is incorrect. Angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction. Yes, it is correct. In case of if a light enters from a denser and passes through a rarer, then the angle of incidence is always less than the angle of reflection. Is it clear children? Speed of the light decreases. How the speed of the light decrease? The speed of the light will get increase. अरे भैया डेंसर से जा रहा ग्लास से अगर जाएगा हवा को तो क्या होगा? स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट डिक्रीज होगा ना इंक्रीज होगा? इंक्रीज होगा. तो here is a denser is a glass, right? And a rarer is air. Obviously glass से जब लाइट जब एयर को निकलेगा, that means it will get increase. चलो बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं हमें. देखो, they are making us fool, लल्लू. The speed of the light remain unchanged. Yes, that means here B, option B, number 2 is correct. Over here is also number 2 correct. Are na number option A number 3 is correct. Are I have done wrong a bit of. Sorry. The speed of the light changes. Number A ka 3 and B ka 2. Yes. Acha, let us see number C. So here we concluded that बीच C में चलते, एक नंबर का C में चलते, क्या होता है देखो. In a diagram shown below, let us do a diagram first. Without diagram we cannot do anything. Let us do a diagram first, children. In a diagram shown below, air is a rarer, water is a denser, incident ray यहाँ पर होता है, incident ray falls, right, and it's a normal. Obviously, incident ray normal, it's a refracted ray, C is a refracted ray, it's a reflected ray. So here we concluded that A, B, see what we concluded, children? Here we concluded angle A is known as incident ray, right? Angle C is known as refracted ray, FRA, refracted ray, and angle B is known as reflected ray. What is the option it is asking, children? The option is saying that see in the option given below, in the diagram given below, see B is incident ray. कहाँ B incident होगा? A तो incident ray. Option 1 is incorrect. So option 1 is incorrect. Option 2, A is incident ray. Yes, A is incident ray. B is a refracted ray. B is not a refracted ray. B is a reflected ray. So option 2 is also incorrect. Option 3, C is incident ray. Again बेवकूफ के ऊपर बेवकूफ बना जा रहा है यार लड़के ये सब. Yes sir. A is incident ray, C is a refracted ray. A is incident, C is a refracted ray. Yes, it is correct. That means number C का 4 वाला आंसर correct. Is it clear? चलो, let us do number D. What is the D? It is given in the diagram shown above. Identify the characteristics of image, children. Identify the characteristics of image. Let us draw an image. Let us draw an image. It is a convex and it is F. It is F1. So it is a 2F2. All right. Anyway, nothing to write. यहाँ पे जितना दे उतना ही लिखेंगे बच्चों. Object is kept between F and optical center. Here is saying that when the object is kept, yes, you know very well. In case of convex lens, children, when the object is kept, in case of convex lens, when the object is kept in case of convex lens, what happens? Where the image is formed? If the object is kept between F and O, that means the image will formed always the back of the object के पिछवाड़े में यहाँ पर कुछ इस प्रकार में इमेज फॉर्म करेगा. Am I right? कुछ इस प्रकार यहाँ पर इमेज फॉर्म करेगा. That means the image is forming here. If the image is forming here, क्या कौन सा इमेज होगा? अगर उल्टा बनेगा तो इन्वर्टेड के पास बैठता है क्या? रियल. तो ये सीधा बना वर्चुअल. Is it clear? वर्चुअल. अच्छा, वर्चुअल के पास हमेशा क्या बैठता है? What? Virtual erect is the best friend. Erect is the best friend of virtual. Real is the best friend of inverted. Put it inside your mind and definitely it will be magnified. Why it is magnified? Size. Magnified. If it is a magnified, that means what, children? That means it is a magnified. That means your virtual erect magnified. देखो आंसर क्या है? Virtual है. चलो देखो भट्टा लगाओ पर नंबर. Real तो होगा नहीं, diminished होगा नहीं, formed within a focal length. It will not 4. नंबर टी का 4 आंसर. बात खत्म. इज इट क्लियर? चलो लेट अस डू अनदर क्वेश्चन. ई in case of E, very attractive as well as very important as well as very, what else I can say. It is the type of question will come in exam. This type of question will come in exam in the examination, guarantee. See, people generally while doing subjective questions, right? When you do subjective questions, suppose there are having 3 marker question and half of the problem you have done and rest you have left, something step mark you will be getting. But here not a step mark. Here while they are asking the steps to follow, in which steps you have to follow, very tricky, children. Again I am saying you have to work hard. You have to work hard with me. If you want to secure very good numbers, go and take all the PDF notes which I have uploaded. Many PDFs I have uploaded. You can watch there and get all the notes, get all the MCQs, and everything will be benefited for you. Chalo. Here is saying that a wavelength of a light. नंबर डी का मिला आंसर कुछ 4। चलो देखो नंबर ई का देखते हैं क्या होता है बच्चों। ओके, द वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम ए, चलो वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट, राइट, लैम्बडा, वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम ए, सो लैम्बडा इक्वल्स टू 600 नैनोमीटर, राइट, and when it is coming and the wave enters medium b, enters medium b, if it enters medium b तो क्या होता है, mu it is given 1.5, as you know very well. Here is asking the steps to find the wavelength of the medium b. Definitely you can find lambda s equals to what children, lambda upon mu, that means 600 divided by 1.5 which is equals to 600 divided by 15 गुना 10, तो कितना होगा 40 गुना 400, so lambda equals to 400, so lambda equals to 400 it is given. Yes, see bit 3 lambda equals to 400 it is given, bit 3 lambda equals to 400 it is given, but here is asking which step to follow. पहले कौन सा स्टेप आता है? For first we see, first we got 900 nm it is here, put a big cross, bit 4 put a big cross, bit 5 it is given 1.6 into 6 and 1 point, वो भी नहीं होगा, bit 3 होने वाला है, bit 3 होगा बच्चों, bit 2 600 divided by 1.5 children, 600 divided by 1.5, yes, bit 2 600 divided by 1.5, yes, bit 2 is a correct option, bit 1 से 1.5 ये भी गलत, ये भी गलत, 10 ये भी गलत, bit 1 भी गलत, that means first what we got, first we got bit 2 then we got bit 3. बच्चे बहुत शातिर होते हैं, पहले लगाएंगे bit 3 उसके बाद लगाएंगे bit 2, नहीं नहीं नहीं, see the option बेटा, see the option, in the first option it is given bit 1 and bit 3, bit 1 and bit 3, bit 1 and bit 3 नहीं होगा, हाँ नहीं होगा, then bit in the number 2 bit 2 bit 3, number 2 bit 2 bit 3, bit 2 bit 3, see number 2 option is correct, number 2 option E का number 2 correct, E का number 2 bit 2 bit 3 and bit 3 bit 2 is also given, no it's not given, but यहाँ पर दिया नहीं, अगर मैं होता तो मैं थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दिया होता बच्चों, कैसे, that means I could have given bit 3 then I could have given bit 2, that means थोड़ी, so how you people do the answer, first थोड़ी ना you get the answer, first you need to do a process, so the first process is this, second process is answer, is it clear children? Why, that is having a heavy rainfall. All right, chalo, so I think you have got the answer clearly, right children? All right, let us do F number. What is given in the F? The diagram below shows the image. Oh, the diagram below shows the image formed at distance, image distance, that means let us erase this, so no, so let me erase this children. So see, very interesting, the diagram below shows that the image distance, चलो image distance क्या होता है बच्चों, 36 सेंटीमीटर, कौन दिया, मैं नहीं, क्वेश्चन दिया बच्चों, F it is given 12 centimeter, with respect to this answer the question follow that, what question is following, oh अच्छा, so that means here we concluded we have to draw the figure, without figure we cannot do anything, चलो L dash F then beta 2F, okay, 2F, then after over here is image बना A dash B dash F 2F, right, something it is given in this way, am I right? Yeah. So which kind of, first of all we have to understand, we have to assume which kind of image it is, so which kind of lens it is a lens of convex lens बच्चों. Why it is a convex lens? Because mirror image ऐसे बन रहा है, image is in this way, if image is in this way, image is beyond F1, देखो beyond F 2F, children see it very carefully, image is beyond 2F, if the image is beyond 2F तहाँ object कहाँ रखा जाता है, where we should keep object so that the image will form beyond 2F, imagine, logic, practice, if you have not done practice you cannot do this, if you have done a random practice then you can do this, obviously we imagine if we will keep the object between 2F and F, definitely the image will form beyond 2F1, वो भी नहीं आया समझ में लॉजिक, अनदर लॉजिक हम बताते हैं, चलो What is the focal length? The focal length 12 centimeter. That means here it is here 12 centimeter. If I will do 2f, that means 2 into 12, 24 centimeter. Can I do in this way? Total from here to here is 24 centimeter. And from here to here is 36 centimeter. Image distance 36 centimeter and here is 24 centimeter. Alright children. Acha. Here is saying that the position of the object on the left of the side, where should be the object? Where we should keep the object? Definitely we should keep the object between 2f and f. We should keep the object between 2f and f. Simple. Apply logic, beta. So here is 12. Here is 12 to 24. 12 if we will keep object here. Generally, if we will keep what? We generally keep the object here. Right. So what? The first option will, let's see. The object between 12 centimeter 30 centimeter. नहीं होगा बच्चों. 12 30 कहाँ होगा? नहीं होगा. Option 1 is incorrect. Number 2 देखते हैं. Beyond 24 centimeter. वो भी कहाँ लल्लू बना रहे. Between 12 and 24 centimeter. Yes, it is correct. Between 12 and 20 centimeter, it is correct. That means F का है. या F का bit 1 का आंसर होगा. F का bit 1 का आंसर है. That is all about बेटा 3 number. F bit 1 answer is 3 number. Between 12 and 24 centimeter. Between 12 and 24. That means we have to keep a mirror. We have to keep object between. कहीं ना कहीं रखा गया है. We don't know where we will keep exact distance, exact number we don't know, but we know we will be able to keep we will keep the object between 2f and f. Is it clear? Chalo. What is the power of lens? It is a reduced syllabus. You might be thinking, sir, reduced syllabus mein question kya? That in there they have mentioned that in the power of lens, the numerical they will be not asking, but they will be asking definition, they will be asking formulas. In the formula छोटा छोटा numerical भी बनता है, दिया गया है. If you have not watched the reduced syllabus, you can see the I button, right? You can see the I button. You can look after there. Power of lens. Children, power of lens. Power of lens. What is the power of lens? Power of lens formula. Can anyone? Yes, power of lens 1 upon f in case of meter. But अगर centimeter हो जाता है थोड़ा उल्टा 100 upon f. 100 का 100. In case of centimeter is 100 upon f. In case of meter 100 upon f का meter लगेगा. Centimeter, that means focal length it is given in the centimeter. That means 100 upon 12. What we will get? 8.33 if I am not wrong. And it is a convex lens, children. Convex lens. ये वाला question पूछा जाएगा. And in the reduced syllabus also, if I am not wrong, I remembered as much as I remembered. I said you beta in that particular video I have said power of lens question बनेगा ही बनेगा. I said if you have not watched, again you can go and watch that. Power of lens question बनेगा ही बनेगा. What I say it come in exam. As I say in every video, again I am saying that. Power and convex lens. What is the convex lens? Positive sign. Concave lens negative sign. So positive 8.33. So देखो answer positive minus 8.33 कदा ही नहीं होगा. Positive 8.33. That means number 2 f का bit 2 का आंसर is 3 बेटा. कट. Is it clear? अच्छा, bit 3. The object distance is sign convention. Object distance, as you know very well, object अगर object sign convention object अगर left में आता तो क्या definitely it is minus. It is a plus when it is coming to the left. Object distance minus में आता तो generally you know very well that is a minus. Object distance minus if it is coming to the left hand side. So what will be the formula? You know very well formula. 1 upon f equals to 1 upon b minus 1 upon u, right? Yes. So why to do there? I am doing here 1 upon f equals to 1 upon b minus 1 upon u, right children? If it is correct, then mean what you can do beta? See 1 upon f it is given 1 upon 12. V it is given 1/36 minus 1 upon u. Chalo, that implies then 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 36 equals to minus 1 upon u. So the answer will be LCM is 36. 36 का 3 minus 2 1 2/36 equals to minus 1 upon u, which is all about 18 equals to minus 1 upon u. The answer is minus 18, which the u you got minus 18. Minus 18 is given. Yes, minus 18 is given. So bit 3 का bit 1. Bit 3 का number 1 option minus 18 centimeter. Minus 18 centimeter. Is it clear? बहुत हलवा सवाल. चलो next. Bit 4. Oh, bit 4. It is giving something. Okay, see the bit 4 question, children. In case of bit 4, very easy. I think I should erase this. Shall I? Okay. See, in case of bit 4, let me erase this also. See, oh, why I have erased this? In case of bit 3, in case of bit 4, it is given if the lens replaced by another type of lens. Which kind of lens it is? Convex lens. Convex lens it is given. So lens will get changed. Only lens. तो अगर पतला होगा तो मोटा lens यहाँ पर बोल रहा है. पतला मोटा, मोटा पतला कोई भी लगा है. And the same type means convex lens. But the focal length is given. F it is given कितना? 15 centimeter is given. F it is given at the same object. Same object. What was the object we got? अरे यार, what was the object we got? What object to object distance? Same object. Where it is? Same object distance. What object distance we got? I forgot. I have erased. I think minus 18 centimeter. I think, yeah, minus 18 centimeter. Oh, yeah, minus 18 perhaps I got. Anyway, yeah, I remembered minus 18. But focal length 15 centimeter. Then from the object is 10. Acha, here is saying that the size of the image is magnification. Which kind of magnification? Linear magnification. You know very well, children, the formula m equals to b upon u. Baat khatam. Acha. Here is saying that what will be the size? Size क्या होगा? चलो देखते हैं. पहले the first we were doing in the first case b was 36. B was 36 by 18 minus 18. It is all about minus 2. That means the magnification was minus 2. But here, in case of this magnification, b upon u, so u it is given, that is minus 18. The b it is not given. Why? V it is not given in the question. V it is not given, but focal length it is given. Can we find here? Can we find image distance? Yes, we can find. How? Now 1 upon f, children, see. 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon v it is given 1 upon 15 equals to b कितना है बेटा? यहाँ पे देखो b नहीं है. U it is given 1 upon minus 18 if I am not wrong. Minus plus 1 upon 18. यहाँ पर चला जाओ 1 से 15 माइनस 1 से 18 1 upon b. चलो यहाँ पर करते हैं फिर. यहाँ चलो देन 15 इंटू 18 माइनस 15 3 कट 5 90. So let me put, I have got v 90, so let me put 90, that is minus 5. 5 गुना, that means 5 गुना. क्या 5 गुना होगा इसमें? That means see the option, the size of the image decreases. कहाँ decrease हुआ बच्चों? ये तो 2 था, यहाँ पर तो minus 1. कितना बड़ा हुआ? Decrease कहाँ हुआ? Increase हुआ. The size of the image increases? Yes. Another option, the size of the image remain the same? No same. Information is insufficient to conclude. अरे यार, कहाँ answer is bit 2. That means bit 4 का number 3 answered. All right, very dhamaka questions. Number 2, let us do number 2. Children, it is all the options, right? Okay. The usable form of mechanical energy is mechanical energy. Generally mechanical energy कहाँ लगता है? Mechanical energy generally kinetic energy में लगता है. जरा हाफ mv स्क्वायर मैकेनिकल. अगर गाड़ी का स्पीड अगर नहीं होगा तो मैकेनिकल कैसे चलेगा? सो आई एम राइडिंग माई बाइक बिकॉज ऑफ मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. सो हाफ mv स्क्वायर इज ऑल अबाउट काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो द ऑप्शन यूजेबल फॉर्म ऑफ मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इलास्टिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. कहाँ मरवा रहा है? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी तो पोजेसेस बॉडी एज रेस्ट. यहाँ पे रेस्ट थोड़ी ना. नंबर 1 ऑप्शन नहीं होगा. नंबर 2 काइनेटिक एनर्जी यस. ग्रेविटेशन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी नो. नॉन ऑफ द गिवन पॉइंट्स. नंबर 2, दैट मीन्स नंबर 2 का बिट ए का 2 is the option. Kinetic energy, right? चलो 1 horsepower is equal to, again you will be able to see the note. Children, see my notes, see the MCQs. There you will be getting the direct questions, such kind of direct questions. 1 HP equals to 746W. Sorry, 746W. 1 HP equals to 746W. 746W. W का मतलब वाट होता है. ओके, क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है. 1 HP equals to dash kW, 0.746 kW. In this way question will also come. That means the answer is 746W. So number B का कितना होगा? number 4 answer. बात खत्म. Next, see the number C question. C option C. Let me erase this. In case of C it is given if A and B of the same mass. चलो A, B, M1, M2 mass. Can climb the third floor? Can climb the third floor? Third floor. The way I am doing, you have to do in the same way to make yourself understand pretty well. 3 minutes, 5 minutes. A कितना मिनट ना 3 मिनट, B कितना मिनट ना 3 मिनट, 5 मिनट. अरे यार 5 मिनट. The ratio of the powers. Here you have to find the ratio of the powers. So power equals to, as you know very well, work done upon time, right? Work done upon time. तो यहाँ ऊपर जा रहा है तो work done क्या होगा? mgh. Work done upon time. So you can see work done, that means PA equals to PB. PA equals to P upon PB. PA equals to PA. PA means P का A आदमी, man, if I am not wrong. Man. A stands for man, B stands for also man. P upon PB. That means work by work cancel. Work by T1, W by T2. T1, it is a T1, it is a T2. Work done, work cancel. T1 equals to T2, that means यहाँ पर उल्टा हो जाएगा. T2 by T1. T2 कितना? 5 upon 3, which is all of 5:3. C. 5:3 is the correct option. C number 4 is the correct option. C number 4 is the correct option. All right, children. Next, number D. Number D. If the center of gravity of meter scale, अच्छा, very interesting, very interesting. I hope you have done. Let me erase this. Very interesting. Okay, children. See, if the center of gravity of a meter scale of mass 80 gram lies, if the center of gravity of a meter scale of mass 80 centimeter lies, mass कितना दिया? 80 gram force, GF gram force, centimeter 45 centimeter. Which one of the diagram will you balance? See, 4 diagrams are there. Which one is the balance diagram? So see, can you remember some point, logical point in the chapter number 1 force? You have read the principle of moments. In case of principle of moments, what? In case of principle of moment in equilibrium, did you recall anything in case of principle of moment in equilibrium? What? Generally, in case of that, suppose let me say next. See, suppose it is an object. It is a fulcrum 60. Fulcrum. No need to write this. Let me write. It is 100 children. 40 gram force. So एक बंदा यहाँ पर है जिसका 100 centimeter distance में है, right? A boy it is here in 100 centimeter distance with a 40 gram force, and here is saying that 45. If a boy will be in a 45 centimeter in 80 gram force, whether this will be remain equal to this, whether the same balance होता है कि नहीं, इधर उधर नहीं होगा, same balance. Whether, so let us do in the case of principle of moment. What is the principle of moment? Forgotten everything. Chalo, what na? See, very interesting it is. 60 minus 45. What you are getting? Distance, F into S. F into S. Force into displacement. Force. What is the force? It is, what is the gram force? 80 guna 15 equals to 80. What? 60 minus 45 is 15. 80 gram force equals to what? ना 60 minus 100 is 40 इंटू ये तराजू पकड़ के चलो, तराजू समान होगा. जब कैसे समान होगा? हाउ इट विल बी रिमेन इक्वल टू बोथ द साइड्स इन दिस वे. 40 into 40. So here we get 15 1200 1600. That means number 1 option is incorrect. इक्वल होना चाहिए, दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए, राइट? So 1200 1600, no, it is incorrect. Number C. So let me do here in the case of C. Here 45. In case of number 1 is 45. Let me change little bit. 45 children. Say 45. So what to do now? That means here we concluded here is 1200 will remain the same. So 45 means, so 60 40 into 45. 40 into 45 कितना होता है यहाँ पे देखो. 40 into 45 90. 1800 नहीं होगा. 1800 हो सकता है, नहीं होगा. That means here is number B2 is also incorrect. Number 3, let us see number 3. What is the number 3? Number 3 is given 30 gram force. Number 3 is given 30 gram force. See children, number 3 I am doing here because of shortage of space. 30 gram force. That means what to do now? 30 into how many? 40. 30 into 40. Why it is 40? 100 centimeter 60 centimeter का गैप कितना होता है? 100 minus 60 40. 30 gram force in the bit C option. You see bit 3 option 1200. Yes, it is equal. That means number 3 is equal. Number 4 करने का दरकार ही नहीं है, डायरेक्ट आंसर मिला number 3. That means number D. Number 3 is the answer. Is it clear how easy it is? In this way you have to practice, children. चलो. Now E. So what to do? So K8 is given. Kinetic energy equals to half mv square. K8 is given. How many? What is the Ke? The K8 is given. Children, see the Ke. The K8 is given, which is kind of 250 joule. Mass it is given what beta? Na 5 kg. So simple, put the formula. 250 into 1/2 into mass. Mass is 5 into v square, right? So 500 divided by 5 equals to v square, which is all about 100 equals to v square under root of 100 equals to 10. So v equals to 10 meter per second. See, oh baba, there are having 6 options. Life in a history I have never attend any kind of exam. मैं जितना भी एग्जाम था कहीं में भी 6 ऑप्शन नहीं था बेटा. You are the luckiest one, I can say. You are getting 6 options. Luckiest, or your life is a hell, I also don't know, right? You are getting 6 options. My God, I have never seen such a type of. Thank you ICSE. You should be thankful to ICSE. You are getting 6 options. That means how, you know, what else I can say? How means blessed you are. Yes, how blessed, it is appropriate word. How blessed you are, children. Wow. M it is given mass, momentum it is asking. Momentum का m कहाँ से होगा? P होगा. Momentum equals to what? Under root of 2mk. You can do, or also another formula also you can do. Another formula also you can do, children. Under root of 2mk. What is the under root of 2mk? 2 into m it is given 5. K8 is given 250. कितना होगा यहाँ पर देखो? 10 into 250 2500 50. 50 it is given 50 kilogram meter SI unit. So this is that means you are getting 2 options correct. That is number E का 2 correct होगा और एक होगा बच्चों 5. Okay, in this way you have to take the answer also. I don't know whether they will be providing OMR. There is no update yet regarding that, but there is having 2 answers, right? And also another formula also you can put over here. Another formula also you can put over here. That means in case of F, it is saying that a girl is at rest. See, a girl is at rest. A girl is at rest. A girl is at rest at a gate of her society which 3.2 meter. 3.2. Let me draw this. Without drawing we cannot do. Or yaar. 3.2 meter. It is a girl. GIRL. I am very poor in drawing. I am writing simply in this way. Please cooperate. Please cooperate. Your cooperation is highly solicited. B. Okay. See, it is given. It is given. Above the road comes. Acha. Bit 1 is saying that the mechanical energy possessed by a girl at B. कितना mechanical होगा? Possessed by B. That means the girl is sitting there. The girl is sitting or standing, whatever. Cycle में खड़ी है तो बैठी होगी. The girl is sitting there, right? Okay, girl is something. Girl is your best friend. Let understand your any boys. If any boy is watching over here, that is girl is your best friend, and the girl is sitting or something. She is sitting on the cycle only. So what is obviously what is a potential energy? क्या होता है बच्चों? Potential energy as a rest. Body possessed as a rat. That means what? Bit 1 vibrational kinetic energy no. Translational kinetic energy बिल्कुल no. Elastic potential energy कहाँ मरवा रहा है? Gravitational potential energy correct. That means number F 1 bit number 4 is correct. The velocity with the girl which reaches the point A. Velocity अगर A में चला गया तो क्या होता है? चलो देखो यहाँ पर A में होता है. Very interesting. This is also very interesting. A में आ जाता तो क्या होता है बच्चों? देखो यहाँ पर bit 2. I am talking about bit 2. हाँ? F का bit 2. F का bit 2. F का bit 2. A velocity with which girl reaches point A. Girl reaches point A तो क्या होगा बच्चों? Anyone? Do you have an idea? पॉइंट है यहाँ पर अगर आता तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी ए इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पर था पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, राइट? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी mgh That means what? Here is kinetic and potential energy. Potential energy EP, sorry, EK. That means what, children? Half mb square equals to mgh. So mf got cancelled. Half v square equals to g. It is given 10 in the question. It is given, mention children, 10 into height. It is given 32 by 10, 3.2 32 by 10. That is all about. Here I will take it out here. That means what? 10 cancel. 34 v square equals to 64 under root 8 मिला. आंसर है क्या 8 यहाँ पर 8 मीटर सेकेंड. यस इट इज करेक्ट. दैट मीन्स व्हाट चिल्ड्रन? बिट 2 एफ का बिट 2 का आंसर होगा 3 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड. बिट 3 यू सी बिट 3 इफ द मास ऑफ द गर्ल इज 40 kg. मास ऑफ द गर्ल इज 40 kg. वही गर्ल का बोल रहे क्या? वही गर्ल का बोल रहे हैं ना, और कुछ? ओहो अच्छा. गर्ल का वेट वजन, ये गर्ल का वजन इज सेइंग दैट 40 kg और सेम आई एम थिंकिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन. 40 kg राइट. देन व्हाट वुड बी द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द गर्ल? या व्हाट इज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द गर्ल? हाफ mb स्क्वायर. अरे यार हलवा सवाल. हाफ mb it is given what children? m it is 40 into v. what v you have got? 8 you have got here. 64 लगाओ, काटो 20. 64 into 2 128 जूल. 128 joule, 1280 joule. Yes, it is given. Bit 3 number 1 option. अरे इतना हलवा सवाल. So do you understand where I have got 8? Because in the previous answer I have got 8 meter per second. In this way you have to do, children. Very easy. Now bit 4. Now bit 4 it is saying that the potential energy of a girl when she reaches the point AB. अच्छा, जब लड़की आकर कुछ यहाँ पर रुक गई, लड़की कुछ यहाँ पर रुक गई लड़की बीच में, then what it would be? Here is saying that what would be the potential energy? अरे यार very simple, again very simple. Where it is no space I am doing here. mgh EP potential energy half mgh. Why it is half? Because आधा, वहाँ आधा में रुकी. The girl reached midpoint. Let us assume C midpoint. half mgh half. m कितना है चिल्ड्रन? m is 40. it is given the question. g 10 32/10. कट 20 कितना हुआ यहाँ पर? 64 640 जूल है क्या? 640. yes it is. bit 4 C. I am doing here bit 4 का आंसर C. that means f bit 4 answer is 4 640 जूल. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 चिल्ड्रन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. let us do question number 3. please note it down as soon as possible. In the question number 3 it is saying that mechanical advantage load is related as RAR. mechanical MA formula, come on semi anyone? MA equals to load by effort L upon E. here is saying that MA equals to L into E. कहाँ यार फंसा रहा है, ये भी गलत. MA equals to effort by load नहीं हो सकता, load by effort होगा. effort by load नहीं, हमें फंसा रहे ये लोग. MA into E equals to L. can I do? MA into E equals to L. can I do? yes. that means bit 3 is the correct option. that means I am doing here number 3 children. number 3 का A का 3 का correct option. number 3 का A का 3 right. B, let us do B. in case of B it is saying that it is saying that which one of the following statement is correct? यहाँ से correct कौन है? which one is correct? that means everything is incorrect for us. सब incorrect है, उनमें से एक correct निकालना है. चलो देखते हैं. a machine is used to have more output energy compared to. नारे यार मशीन कहाँ more output देता है? very incorrect statement. first option is incorrect. why? how machine will give output? machine will give more output energy. no, machine cannot give more output energy. remember that. mechanical advantage of a machine can never be greater than 1. ये भी mechanical advantage of machine can be greater than 1. can be. never कहाँ लगा? never is wrong. can be, ये भी incorrect statement. if a machine gives convenience of direction then its mechanical advantage should be greater than 1. I cannot understand. if a machine gives convenience of direction, pulley. अच्छा pulley का बात बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. if a machine gives convenience of direction then its mechanical advantage should be greater than 1. ये भी incorrect statement. why? let me say you children why it is incorrect statement. it is incorrect statement because in case of pulley so there is having direction. pull Generally when I will pull a bucket in a well, from a well, right, तो direction change होगा. Direction अगर change होता है तो mechanical value should be greater than 1. Incorrect statement. Number 4, mechanical in the design of a machine, if the mechanical advantage increases, the velocity remains the same. Yes, it is a correct statement. It is a correct statement. Mechanical advantage decreases in velocity remains the same. अगर 3 पुली 3 velocity ratio, 4 पुली 4 velocity ratio, 2 पुली 2 velocity ratio. Is it clear? Bit C. Bit C, children. If a block and a tackle system with convenient direction has a 3 movable pulley, then the velocity ratio, or recently I said, recently the 3 pulley velocity ratio VR equals to 3. बात खत्म. 3 it is given, yes. C का भी 4. बात खत्म. B का कितना होगा? 4. C का भी 4. D का देखते हैं. Work done. Children, work done. What is the work done? See, in case of work done by a body moving a circular track. What is the work done over here? Is saying that work done by a body moving a circular track is 0. Circular track is 0 at every instant because displacement is 0. कहाँ displacement 0 होगा यहाँ पर? चलो displacement कहाँ 0 होगा बताओ. What is a displacement? Let us understand center C. Oh, it is given C. What is a displacement? Displacement means if a boy will start his journey and again will reach at a C, that means the displacement is 0. मैं अभी गया, I am going to my school, I am teaching my students, again I am coming here. That means now the displacement is 0 until I reach my initial point. That is or initial point. Initial में start किया और फिर से final point फिर initial में होगा. That is the displacement 0. That means bit 2 option is 1 is incorrect. Option 1 is incorrect. Option 1 is incorrect. Displacement is perpendicular to centripetal force. Displacement is centripetal force. C. Displacement. So from C, which kind of force is applying? Center का कौन सा force apply होता है? Centripetal force. Remember this. Centripetal force. Centripetal force. In case of centripetal force, what? Centripetal force. Generally, what is the work done का what? Work done. W equals to F into S ना? But the सही formula क्या होता है? F into S cos theta. F is S cos theta. That is the real formula. So, what the perpendicular? See, displacement is perpendicular to the centripetal force. Displacement is perpendicular. See, now it is perpendicular. यहाँ पर अगर perpendicular क्या होता है? F into perpendicular. यहाँ पर भी वही पढ़े होगे. याद आया कुछ? याद आया? Then after in this way, perpendicular means force into cos theta. Cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. Force is 0. That means this is the answer. Displacement is a perpendicular to the centripetal force. Number D का Number 2 is the answer. There is no force acting. बेकार बात. चलो. Identify the condition to hear a clear and distinct echo by human. See, very interesting thing, children. Very interesting. Let me say a very logical thing. The minimum, what you know, I can say the minimum gap should be time होता है जो minimum time होता है echo होने के लिए 0.1 second. मिनिमम टाइम बहुत उससे ज्यादा हो सकता है मगर मिनिमम इज 0.1 सेकेंड. रिमेंबर मिनिमम टाइम ऑफ एको 0.1 सेकेंड. रिमेंबर दिस वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है ऐसे. चलो हियर इज आइडेंटिफाई द कंडीशन हियरिंग आ रहा है. अच्छा एको होने के लिए कौन सा कंडीशन फॉलो करते हैं? देखो द रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस थ्रू बी रफ. अरे रफ का रफ होता था दैट मीन द वट एवर आई एम सेइंग इफ इट इज रफ वट एवर आई एम सेइंग इट विल गेट एब्जॉर्ब. सो इट शुड बी ए प्लेन. एको होने के लिए बेकार बात. साइज ऑफ द रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस स्मॉलर. साइज फाइज कुछ दरकार नहीं. वेवलेंथ वो बेकार. साउंड शुड नॉट बी रिफ्लेक्टेड विद इन. यस राइट. Sound should not be condition to hear clear and identify the condition required to hear a clear echo, clear distance echo. शुड नॉट बी रिफ्लेक्टेड बाय विद इन। यहां पर देखो, यहां पर आइडेंटिफाई विद इन 3 दिया, विद इन दिया है, दैट मीन्स विद इन नहीं, ऊपर होना चाहिए, दैट मीन्स 3 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ई का 3 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, इंसिडेंट रेट शुड बी, हार्ज फर्ज कुछ नहीं, हार्ज मोर देन इतना नहीं, मोर जितना भी रह सकता उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। चलो नंबर एफ, वेरी इजी अगेन, नंबर एफ। In case of F, it is saying that, in case of F, it is saying that children, see, in case of F, in case of F, it is saying that a person standing in front of a vertical cliff fires a gun. Chalo, oh, person चलाता है, fires a gun, cliff, fires a gun, CLIFF. A person standing in front of vertical cliff fires a gun, hears the echo at the 3 second. अच्छा, the speed, calculate the distance. अच्छा, what is the formula? Can anyone say the formula? Formula is D equals to B into T by 2. B into T by 2, distance. यहाँ पर कितना दिया बच्चों? Distance, D नहीं दिया, D पूछा गया, calculate the distance. So here is saying that what is the speed? V is known as speed. Speed is given what? 340 it is given speed, children. T it is given 3 upon 2. उसके बाद x कितना हो जाए? 170, 170, 510 is given, 510 meter it is given, distance meter it is given, yes it is given. Bit 3, look after the option, bit 3 it is given, yes bit 3 correct होगा, bit 3 correct होगा. Bit 2, 340 into the, now bit 1 is incorrect. Elimination method, try to do elimination method, eliminate करो. Bit 2, 340, bit 2 is incorrect, bit 4 is incorrect. 340 into 3 by 2, 340 into 3 by 2. Yeah, bit 1 is correct, bit 1 is correct. That means first what to do? That means here the option is bit 1 and bit 3. Bit 1 and bit 3. पहला आएगा bit 1, दूसरे में आएगा bit 3. यहाँ याद रखो, बच्चा बहुत कर लेगा, पहले bit 3 फिर उसके बाद bit 1. अरे first we have to do this, then we will get the answer, right? As we have done little bit earlier. Let me see the question, I cannot remember that. As we have done little bit earlier, in case of wavelength, lambda, wavelength 500 400 निकला था, nanometer 600 nanometer, that in that way we have to do it. That means see the option, number 1 bit 2 bit 4, bit 2 bit 4 nah, bit 3 bit 2 nah, bit 1 bit 3 yes, bit 3 bit 1. Hey, confuse बच्चे, bit 1 bit 3 bit 2 है, bit 1 bit 3 is the correct option. Number 3, नंबर कितना होगा? F का 3, F का 1 का 3, F का 1 का number 3. If the sound of this, if the speed of the sound changes, speed of the sound changes, speed of the sound changes का मतलब क्या होता है? B, let me do speed of the sound changes means here I can say 2D equals to beta 2D by T equals to B. Speed of the sound get changes. If the speed of the sound get changes to 350 meter per second, then how much distance should the person move towards or away? See, maximum students, 90% students are there, they did not read sound yet. Do not get confused. If you cannot understand, do not worry. अगर तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पढ़ लोगे उसके बाद समझ में आ जाएगा ना, प्रॉब्लम कुछ, नथिंग टू वरी, simple, only thing is work hard, read bit to bit, read all the exercise questions and you will be getting maximum questions from the consigned Selena. If you are following consigned Selena, very good. Exercise question not only consigned in any book, exercise में ही गिरेगा, that is a guarantee and confirm question. चलो let us do. V it is given 350. अच्छा, it was there 350, now it is there, था कितना पहले ना 340. अच्छा, then after listening that you have to find the steps to calculate distance. Again I have to take it out the distance by 3. That means what? 2D equals to 10 into 3, D equals to 10 into 3 by 2, which is about 15 मीटर. फिर यहाँ पे निकला 15 मीटर. यहाँ पे बोला कौन सा स्टेप ठीक है? बिट 1 इज इनकरेक्ट. बिट 1 प्लस कहाँ बोल रहा है? माइनस होगा, प्लस कहाँ बोल रहा है? बिट आई थिंक बिट 2 इज करेक्ट. Bit 2 is correct as we have done in this way. Bit 2 is correct. Bit 2 is correct. Bit 2 is correct. Bit 3 you see. Bit 3 is incorrect. bit 3 is incorrect, bit 4 is correct. That means bit 2 and bit 4 is answered. Bit 2 and bit 4, it is there in the option. Bit 2 and bit 4 there. Yes, number 4. Number 4, that means कौन सा number 4? 2i number 4. F का 2 number 4. Question number 4. See question number 4. Assuming all lengths shown below are the same material. अच्छा, the lengths are, see, very very easy question. All the lengths are made of same material. इसमें से पूछ रहा है कौन सा लेंस में ज्यादा पावर होगा. In your school, in your friend, अरे यार तू चश्मा लगाता है, you are wearing glass, you are wearing specs in which you are having very thick lens. मतलब वो थोड़ा लल्लू है, उसको आंख में दिखता नहीं है, right? So here which one is having a very thick one lens, उसमें पावर ज्यादा. Q 3, 4 का 3, 4 का A का 3, Q. बात खत्म. An electric cell in which use क्या होगा जल्दी बताओ. Chemical to electrical, the change in energy. इलेक्ट्रिक क्या होता है, केमिकल टू इलेक्ट्रिकल. नहीं बताना ये सब बात, यू नो वेरी वेल. अगेन इन केस ऑफ आई इन द वर्क पावर ऑफ एनर्जी आई हैव गिवन स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो. कन्वर्सन ऑफ एनर्जी इज इंपॉर्टेंट. क्वेश्चन मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. यहाँ पर एक मिला, तुम्हारा बोर्ड एग्जाम में 2 क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, गारंटी. पूछ लो, लिख लो. whatever I say, whatever I have said, that is coming in the specimen paper and it will come in exam also. Bit 1, the phenomenon of surface AC. The phenomenon of surface AC is bit 1, refraction. AC का क्या होता है, रिफ्रैक्शन होता है. नहीं होगा, पार्शियल रिफ्रैक्शन. नो. देन TIR, या इट इज अ TIR, QT. हाँ, यहाँ पे ऐसे क्या, ओ तेरी तो TIR इज द करेक्ट आंसर. बिट 1, F का बिट 1, F का बिट 1 का F का F, it is saying, if it is saying F, right? E bit 1 का TIR, that is number 3 is the correct option. Number 3 TIR is the correct. यहाँ पर गए ऐसे बैंड होगा, TIR, total internal reflection. The angle of incidence the surface AC, what will be the angle of reflection? See, very interesting now, very interesting. As you can see, angle A equals to 30 degree. Very interesting. What will the angle? 30 degree. Angle B equals to 90 degree perpendicular. And what will the angle of triangle? The sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. 90 plus 30 120. Angle C कितना हुआ ना, 60 डिग्री. Angle C मिला 60 डिग्री. Angle C मिला 60 डिग्री. Is it clear? If the angle C is 70 degree, he is saying what is the surface of area? This means it is the normal. It is the normal. It's not a 60 degree. If it is a 60 degree, then means what? Now यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 30 plus 30. You have total angle 60 degree. The answer will be 60 degree. बात खत्म. Is it clear? चलो. Bit 3. In case of so answer is bit 3 answer is 60 degree. So in case of bit 3, what is saying that the angle of incidence AB, angle of incidence AB means C, angle B equals to 90 degree, angle Q equals to 90 degree, perpendicular, you can see in the figure also. Then after now you have got 60 degree. 60 degree you have got 120. 60 plus 60 120 na. Here we have got 60 degree, right? 60 children. 60 plus 60 120, right? That means 120 you have got over here, 120. That means we have got angle of incidence 120. That means 180 plus 120. What children? 300. So 300. So 360 minus 300. 360 minus 300 is 60 degree. While here is saying AB, then यहाँ पर normal बनेगा. It will cut. That means here is 30 degree, here is 30 degree. I am asking about the AB. AB is 30 degree. That means here is angle 3, the angle of incidence 30 degree. अच्छा, if you cannot understand in this way, simple is critical angle is given 42 degree. Critical angle 42 degree है, बात खत्म. Critical angle से सबसे कम angle incidence रही होगा. That means here the option is 0 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. 90 degree नहीं होगा, 60 degree नहीं होगा, 45 degree नहीं होगा, 0 degree नहीं होगा, 30 degree will be the answer. बात खत्म. Is it clear? Next, which of the following statement is wrong? Which of the following, the last question, which of the following statement is wrong children? 30 degree. Which of the following statement is wrong? Speed of the ray PQ is equal to the speed of the light SC. कहाँ गया? यहाँ पर. अच्छा सा. See, Speed of the light PQ, where it is? Speed of the light PQ, where is PQ? TQ or PQ? PQ is a PQ. So speed of the light PQ is equal to the speed of the light ST. Speed of the light PQ is equal to the speed of the light ST. यहाँ पर AS, ये है क्या T 9, कहाँ इसे रेयर डेंसर में जाएगा तो थोड़ी ना, इसे रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. Which of the following statement is wrong? अच्छा, the speed of the light ray QR is equal to the speed of the light ray RS. Speed of the light ray QR RS. This is the correct statement. This is also correct statement. The speed of the light PQ is greater than RS. Is greater than RS. Yes, it is a correct statement. So सब तो correct हो रहा है. The speed of the light RQ. Speed of the light RQ. See the option. Speed of the light RQ is greater than ST. Is greater than ST. ये तो समान हो रहा है. कहाँ? ना. Bit number 4, bit 4 option is correct. Bit 4 का number 4 option is correct. Because see, speed of the light RQ अंदर RQ अंदर में जो speed अंदर में तो वही speed होगा ना. RQ अरे the speed in the denser, the speed in the glass, it is a glass, the speed in the glass, the speed of the light in the RQ का जो होगा the is greater than speed of the ST का क्या greater होगा, equal होगा, greater नहीं equal होगा. The 4 is option correct. So this is all what I want to say. So over here the discussion of solution part of physics is over. So it's a very interesting, also an interesting session for all of us. So I want to say, children, that if the session is really helpful, please do share it out with your friends, and please help you out, and thank you very much for the immense support. Cheers.